I fuck with this. Now I know. That's the next song. Our tea's almost running out.
All of my drama they hit me for many years ago. All of my childhood I lost cause I want feed family. Inside my hands so that what my face in all the show. I know they talk, I know they come out, I just one day alone. Sleeping pills on the wall so I steady overdose. Fear them go let me talk things way I do for the ones I love. Everybody too selfish so see for my angulo. Do not deny but I know the one still is not enough. And now I know who there for me. All those I love turn enemies. And now I know who there for me. All those I trust turn enemies. I dey move like Messi when they dey for Barcelona.
This one is personal. This one is where you can feel this one. Like, yo, damn.
He get a go place, but they go talk in a devil. Oh. Me, I know the ass for me, but small time they go talk, say I do. Now I had they like to they face all my problems on my own. She tell me make I tell her all the pains where I always envelope. Right for my childhood, I steady, they talk with the feelings where I do. Many battles I dey fight, but regardless, I'm steady on the road. Keep my guy crazy for me, now I might tell solo. Now I know who there for me. All those I love turn enemies. Now I know who there for me. All those I trust turn enemies. Now I know who there for me. All those I love turn enemies. Now I know who there for me. All those I trust turn enemies.
Ish. Ish. This one was very personal. This one was very personal. It was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful song. Like, it was a beautiful, beautiful, what is it? It was a beautiful, beautiful ending to a very, very hyped up album. Like, the album is very, very, very hyped up. Like from the first song, like yo, you can feel the energy that yo, right now we about to go crazy. Like, and then ending it off with a nice, hot to hot, very, very hot to hot song. It was very unexpected there, and I think it was a very, 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 beautiful thing to witness. It was, yeah, now I know. I think this is one of my favorite songs as well in the album. Next to, of course, our songs, Oziba, aye, our songs, Oziba, yeah, Benin Boys, hey, as a man, yeah, you see those songs, bro. But Oziba the most, like, yo, Oziba, that song's about to go crazy in the streets. Like, Oziba's about to go crazy in the streets. Like people are about to go crazy for Oziba. I was watching a skit like Jude OC. I don't know about you guys. I don't know if I got the name right. Yeah, but I was watching a skit and one of these kids was like it was like it was like a skit on like someone who could see the future and avoid death. So this guy comes up and is like, yo, how am I gonna die? And then the guy sees the vision, and then he tells the guy, he's like, yo, you should avoid listening to Rema's new album, because that's how you die. You were playing Oziba, like you were playing Ozeba and then you crashed the car, you know, because you went crazy while listening to Ozeba in the car with your friends. You know, so Ozeba, that's why I'm saying right now, Ozeba is about to go crazy in the streets. People are about to go crazy in the streets for Ozeba, bro. Like it's about to go crazy, dog. Like Ozeba is, yeah, it's an anthem. Ozeba is an anthem, bro. Like it's an anthem for the streets, dog. It's an anthem for the street, and I'm here for it, bro. I'm really here for it. Like I wish I was in Niger right now. I wish I was like Lagos, like yo, like listening to Ozeba in Nigeria right now. Like I wish I was listening to Ozeba in Nigeria right now, because I know it's probably gonna go more crazy, right? Like in Nigeria, you know, like yo, if you guys want me to come to Nigeria, let me know. I'll come to Niger. I'll come to Niger just to play, just to listen to Ozeba at the club. Like yo, it's about to go crazy. But either way, though, like this is just beautiful piece of work. You know, like artwork. It's like it's really like, it's what we expected from Rema. At the same time, it's not what we expected. It was like, yeah, like he gave us another banger, many bangers, you know. On top of that, he like gave us these bangers in a way that we never could have predicted, you know, like, because the energy, man, like the energy in the songs is crazy. The energy in the songs is crazy, bro. Like I would have never predicted. Like I knew Rema was like into one of the, you know, leaders of Afro Rave, you know, and you know, and tackled it before, you know, tackled Afro Rave before. A lot of artists have tackled Afro Rave, but you know, failed, you know, in the past, you know. And Rema was the only artist who's ever tackled Afro Rave and killed it, you know. And to now for him to like make a whole album based on Afro Rave, that was, yeah, it was very exciting. It was very exciting and scary at the same time. Like, oh God, I pray it does not fail. I pray it does not fail. And my prayers were answered. My prayers were answered. This album is not gonna fail. This album will be an album of the year. And I'm already predicting that there will be a whole lot of remixes, especially for like Ozeba. You know, I would like to see like Travis Scott or Playboy Cardi featured on Ozeba, bro. I think that would be crazy, though. Like on the remix for Ozeba, bro. I think that would be insane, bro. Like even Blackie as well. I'd like to see Blackie as well featured on Ozeba, bro. Like if you guys don't know Blackie, he's amazing artist from South Africa. Like yo, this is the man. Like this album was just 10 out of 10, bro. Like 10 out of 10, bro. Like the album overall, 10 out of 10. Like I was blown away. Like it was just pure art. Like it was just pure art, guys. Like yo, shit. Rema, thank you, bro. Thank you for this beautiful piece of work, man. You know, beautiful artwork. Thank you very much, man. Like you see now, like I'm cool now. Like you don't have to release anything for the rest of the year. I'm satisfied with this album. We will listen to this album the whole year, you know. Even years to come, we'll still listen to this album, because this is a classic, man. This is a classic from Rema. We just got a classic from Rema, man, and it's insane. Like yo, this is insane, guys. Like what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. What's your favorite song, guys? What's your favorite songs? Like which song did you vibe with the most from the album? And I'm sorry that I did not react to Benin in this reaction, because I already did Benin Boys on the previous thingy. I didn't want to make the reaction very long, because I'm trying to keep, you know, time, you know. But either way though, let me know what you guys think about the album. Did you guys love the album as much as I did? Because I really fell in love with this album. It was fucking fire. Hey yo, let me give a like to your thingy. Now I know, bro. Beautiful song, man. Beautiful song. Let me know what you guys think about the album on the comment section. And if you guys are excited for Rema's new album and new era in his music, let me know what you guys think. And yeah, if you guys would also like me to come to Niger and, you know, dance with you guys to celebrate this new album, let me know. I will get the tickets and come to Niger. I don't know how, because I'm broke, but I'll make a plan. Don't worry, I'll make a plan. I'll make a plan to come to Niger. Let me know if you guys, yeah, would like that. So yeah, man, that's it right now for me. I don't have anything else to add on this album. This album was a classic. It's a classic. And yeah, that's it right now for me, all the way from South Africa. I'm giving this album a 10. Zulu Ocean, like, was very happy. I'm very happy. Kasi Lifestyle Original Studios, we are happy about this album. You know how it is, man. I go by the name of Zulu Ocean. If you're new to the channel, please leave a like and subscribe. Like, guys, like, man, the reason why I'm so calm right now is because, like, I'm blown away. Like, I'm speechless. Like, you know, like, I'm still like breaking down all these songs in my head, bro. Like, all, like, the entire album in my head. Damn, shit. Nah, that was fucking fire. And I hope YouTube does not ban me for saying fuck a lot. And I think I said fuck a lot in this this video. So yeah. But either way though, thank you very much to everyone who watched. If you're new to the channel, like I said, leave a like and subscribe. That would really mean a lot. We at 828 subscribers right now, so thank you very much to everyone who has subscribed.